Right, so I'm venturing outside to go to the store. Hopefully not gonna fall and bust my ass, but I have a feeling it's gonna happen. It's quite steep on the side, you can see that. An absolute mess to walk in. And here comes, oh, there's slush all over the ground. I probably shouldn't be taking videos because I should concentrate on walking, but it's alright. There's our snow truck coming to clear the street. It's actually done quite a good job since this morning. There it is, all piled up along the fence. I'm not sure which way to walk because the corners are going to be treacherous. Alright, I'm going to concentrate on walking so I don't fall.